Sabi nila meron daw mga activities dito. Kaya ito, try namin. Oh, wheelchair. Who wants?
Oh, this place where I broke my ankles.
You broke?
No, just felt like.
Such a nice painting, Gwen. Look at this. What's that? The elephant in the room. It's a podcast studio. So they're making a video here, Obi. Podcast. You know podcast?
No,
You don't know?
Oh my gosh, Mom, I really want to have these lights.
that's not like.
Again. Yeah. This side. Whoa. Nice. Uh-uh. Yeah.
I want to try this.
Hi.
And we're making some masks for
When?
to wear.
Plain glitter and golden glitter.
Nice.
Put glue wherever you want to put your glitter, and then that's it.
Okay. Put a lot of glue so you can sprinkle your what do you call that? Glitters. Nice. Ah, did you make that? What is that? A pig?
No, it's a scary monster with lights.
Alright, let me see now. Nice, Gwen.
You can put your mouse on his helmet.
Mom, can you put this mask to him, please?
To him?
Put it on the.
You try it, Obi. You do it.
Oh, he removed. Put it in his nose.
That's a lot of it already.
In his nose, so he'll become.
Put the glitter also in your phone, Gwen. You wait for the instruction.
Oh my God! I know how.
Okay, you try it. You do.
Then you're gonna make
What's that, Koi? Is that a cream? Ice cream? Wait for the instruction, baby.
Yes, so we will.
Okay. Wait. Touching. Because this is food coloring. Right. Stay in your hand. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Which color would you like? We've got blue.
Next stage is for you to do the painting.
Yeah. Okay. So.
But be careful that it will, if you get it, it will be fun.
Blue.
Ready to coloring, right? Okay, when you are done, you place your paper.
Do you want to squeeze it out? Yeah. Make a pattern.
Gently press.
Is it scary? Really? And what color would you like? Red. Ooh, love. Okay. You say
My favorite color is always blue. I keep using blue. Okay. There you go. Want to do another one? Okay.
and which other colors would you like? You can mix two colors. Green.
It's like Christmas.
Like a tree.
Oh, tree. It's like a blood of it.
Yeah, that's bad.
You can
Okay? Mix it. Mix, Coco. Hold your plate so it won't move. Mix. Nice.
Make me think.
Careful, it might splash to your shirts, huh? Wow, Coco, what a nice color you have. And Gwen, it's becoming a purple.
My favorite color.
And you, Obi, it's like an ice cream.
Did you register?
Yes,
Did you register?
I put my email address already.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. Whoa!
It's my color.
What color have you got?
I got this color. With my color.
Okay, I want you to make painting. We're going to paint.
Okay?
Yes.
Oh, again.
We're going to paint.
Oh, no, no, no,
Okay, that's enough, boy. Okay, get your paper.
Get your paper.
Oh my gosh, I didn't have no
Perfect.
space like the same in my
No.
in my school.
Put the paper on top.
And remove your stick now, Kokoy.
Thank you. Yeah.
Don't wipe it. You have tissue. Please be careful, Koy. Not to your shirt. What?
Like my color?
Yeah, okay, yours. You put it on
Yeah.
top.
Put it on top.
Put it in too.
Push it.
Like this.
Push. Push, Koy.
Oh, look. Ooh, la, la.
Nice. Okay, you want to remove it now?
Yeah, you should. I thought we were going to
Hold
make
the plate.
slime.
Hold the plate.
The plate, baby.
I want slime.
Hold the plate.
Made pink.
Oh, look.
It's like a cloud.
You can take it home.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
I like to take
Hi, ang init. Ayun, saglit lang kami sa loob kasi konti lang naman yung activities. Although, maraming activities pero every hour nilang pinapalitan. So, mag-enjoy doon. Sobrang maliit ng mga bata. So, yun. Eto lang, lumabas lang. Support na kayo sa bahay. Uwian na.